everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So what we're doing in today's video is that I am taking a bet and ordering a vintage box. So there's this website called the Vintage Box Company where for around 100 euros you get 5 pieces, and it depends. The pricing is from 100 to 120 to 140 depending on the brands, but it's the concept is that you order a mystery box and you get 5 pieces of either sweaters or t-shirts or shirts of these different brands. And this year particularly I've decided to be mindful about my shopping and not really invest a lot on fast fashion. So that's why I usually shop from Indian homegrown brands or from vintage thrift stores. Not a big fan of thrift stores because I've never found it really matching to the vibe and the style that I look for. But this time we're taking a bet. My birthday is coming up next month, so I thought instead of buying something from Zara or H&M, let's just give it a try, buy from this vintage box company. And right now there's also an offer that for every 5-piece box that you buy, you also get a Carhartt jacket free. So let's see. This video is all about seeing and unboxing that mystery box to see if the pieces that I've ordered, because I don't really know what I'm ordering, is it worth it, is it great, is it no, is it a good thing. The price for the box that I am ordering is around 98 euros, so it's not that cheap, but let's give it a try and let's take that risk and see how it goes. So this is the free Carhartt with every 5-piece box. So let's pick one of this. I am mostly going to pick the ladies premium vintage box. It's for 93 euros. These are the sample pieces. You can choose the size. You can choose if you want a leg wear or no. I would basically go with tops. I don't want to take a risk with jeans because yeah, I'm just going to pick small. I'm going to select this because I get a free Carhartt jacket, add to cart, and now we wait for our box to be delivered. Let's see. Hello guys, it's been a week. I have the box finally here. I'm a little nervous to open this up because what if I do not like the pieces that have come in this mystery box? If I do not like it, then I think Isha might just get a few of these pieces. So let's see if I get lucky or is Isha getting lucky. Then let's just open this big box. So I know there are going to be 5 pieces and then 1 jacket because there was that sale going on that a Carhartt jacket also comes free. Now I'm just nervous that I like the colors that are in these, so fingers crossed. Guys, before this even starts, I think I'm not going to be happy because I see certain pieces and certain colors that however, this is the first piece. I honestly have a trench coat of this color, so I am thinking about it, but this is really nice and thick. I think it's good for the winters. So this seems like a piece that I will use. So that's nice. It's from a brand called Trussardi. Not that I've heard of it before, but yeah, it seems like a good winter piece, but I have a jacket of this color already. So first piece, 5 on 10. Second piece is a Carhartt cap. Now I like the color, but again I have this color. I hope this is not one of the 5 pieces, but I think Isha might just get this. But if she doesn't wear a cap, then I'll just give it to one of my cousins. And then they're asking if you want another box, you can take this discount. I am not going to order again. Then I have this t-shirt from Tommy, which is again not that great. I'm sorry, while opening the package, I just tore the cardboard, so there are a lot of bits and pieces. But this is a classic simple t-shirt. I think I can still work with it. Oh, disappointment. There's another similar t-shirt. Aren't they same? No, it's slightly light. Maybe one of this goes to Isha, so congrats Isha. Oh, there's a Reebok fleece jacket which I think can be useful for me because I don't go to the gym to work out. I go to a park and we work out in open parks. So it really gets cold during winters, and I think this is a great piece for me to just go wear when before my warm up. So okay, maybe a 7 on 10 for this. So how many pieces are done? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. And then, okay, this is something I might like. This is a Fila, again, fleece hoodie, which I really think is great because, again, I can wear it for my workouts. So, was this a scam? Where is my Carhartt jacket? Because that was the selling point, that you buy a box of 5 pieces and get a Carhartt jacket free. Not that I was looking for it, but they sent me a Carhartt cap. So I don't know if I misread it. No, I did not. It clearly said Carhartt jacket and they sent me a Carhartt cap. But I do have 5 winter pieces which I think I can wear. The t-shirts are almost similar, so one of that is going to Isha. The jackets, I think the sweaters, I think I can use it. The cap is also going to be gifted to someone, I think. But overall, I don't know if I'm disappointed or I'm happy. But I'm definitely not happy, but I'm also not fully disappointed. So I think it's just okay. But will I be ordering from them again? No. I think this was it for me. And if you like this video, you know what to do. It was a small and short and small video. You saw this haul of this mystery box. Let me know if there's any other mystery box that you know that I need to try, or maybe I should just stop shopping. And that's it for this video. If you like this, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.